With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. In this question, it is said that a particle of mass m collide elastically with the pan of mass m is equals to 2 times of small m of a spring balance as shown in the figure. The pan is in equilibrium before the collision. The spring constant is k and the speed of the particle before the collision is v0. Answer the following question. You have to see minimum kinetic energy of the particle after the collision. Right? This particle will have how much minimum kinetic energy after the collision. If you see, it is already given in the question that the collision here is elastic. Right? This is a elastic collision. So what will be the minimum kinetic energy of the particle after the collision? So if you see here, this velocity is v0 is given in the question. So if I write down the diagram, the particle is having v0 velocity, if you see here, and this angle is 60 degrees. So we can break this velocity into component, and I will write down. This is the velocity at an angle 60 degree with the vertical. And this angle, this velocity is v0. So angle with the vertical is 60 degree, right? If you see, this angle is 60 degree. So I will write down the vertical component of the velocity is v cos 60. Here the theta is 60 degree. Now this velocity is v0 sin theta. Put the value of theta, it is 60, so it will be root 3 by 2 v0, and this will be v0 by 2. Now if you see, we got the vertical velocity, and the two will experience the impulse in vertical direction only. So this horizontal component will remain unchanged, right? So if you see here, let's say after the collision, they too have the velocity v1 and v2. Let's say these are the velocity v1 and v2, right? So we want the kinetic energy of the particle too. This is one. So since the collision is elastic, so I will write down E is equals to 1. So velocity of separation by velocity of approach. Velocity of separation, you can see it is v1 minus v2. Velocity of approach, that should be taken in a direction along the normal, that is the line of impact direction. So it will be v0 by 2, and it is 1. Right, so I will write down it is v1 minus v2 is equals to v0 by 2. Now if you see, the momentum will also remain conserved because there is no external impulsive force in vertical direction. External impulsive force is not there. So if you see, after the collision, they do have v1 v2 in downward direction. Before the collision, the particle was having mass v0 by 2, having velocity v0 by 2 in downward direction. So taking downward as positive, I will write down the initial momentum is m v0 by 2, and the final momentum is equals to capital M Vm, this, and I will write down it is 2m v1, this. So as we have discussed that there is no external impulsive force in vertical direction, so initial and final momentum will be equal. So I will write down is equals to so this m you can cancel out, right? And if you see we wanted the v1 and v2, so if you see I will write down it is v0 is equals to 4v1 plus 2v2, right? So this is the one equation, this is the another equation. So if you multiply this equation by 4, right, then I will write down it is 4v1 minus 4v2 is equals to 2v0. Equation 1, equation 2. So we can also write it like v0 is equals to, if you see this is v0. So I will write down equation 1, equation 2 minus equation 1. So 4v1 will get cancelled out and you will write down 6v2 is equals to v0 minus 2v0 is, so v2 is v0 by 6 with a negative sign, right? Now minus v0 by 6. So the motion of the particle will be like this, horizontal velocity will remain unchanged. Here minus sign is says that the velocity is in upward direction and it will be unchanged. If you see we took the v1 in downward direction and minus sign says that it is in upward direction, right? So we want the minimum kinetic energy. So now the path of it will be projectile. So it will have the minimum velocity at the highest position, right? That is this only, right? The vertical velocity at the highest position will become 0. So I will write down the kinetic energy minimum of the particle 2. It will be half m v x square because the vertical velocity will eventually become 0. So I will write down half m, it is 3 by 4 v0 square. And this will be the answer of this question. Now you can check for the option here 3 by 8 m v0 square. So B is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.